Yesterday Instagram announced that they are releasing IGTV.
We call it IGTV.
So Instagram TV. And what it means to us as creators. That means that we need to start to produce and make videos in vertical format. So today I wanted to show you how I do it. I have done it for a while for customers, for the Instagram stories, but we can apply that same technique also for making Instagram videos for IGTV. What do we have for that and what we need for that? It's simple as that. Camera, lens. I'm sorry for background sound because I'm standing next to a road. However, as you can see, here is a nice beautiful horses to film. So I will show you how I do it. Of course, camera with tilty flippy screen helps a lot, and let's make it into use. So you just put your camera in the vertical. Screen helps a lot when you have a possibility to tilt it this way. And next is just filming. So how we do it? So as you can see, we filmed a vertical video, and how we edit it. We simply import it into our preferred editing software, if it's Premiere Pro or Final Cut. I prefer Final Cut Pro 10 for my editing work, and it's very simple. You simply make a new project or event and import your files. When you import your files, they will be placed in horizontal. Then you take them down to your timeline, and on the right side you will open your cropping tool, where you change direction of your video to vertical, and you will see that your video is too small for filling your screen, vertical screen, so you must upscale your video. The dimensions you create when you make a new event, you put in 1080 in horizontal side and 1920 in vertical side, and you will get vertical video. By upscaling your video to about 177%, that works for my videos, you will feel all that screen. And next is simple editing, as you have used to it. Cut your video, add your music, and export it. Next is very simple. You just go to your Instagram account.
But there's a desktop uploader.
See you next time.